Okay, so before I go to Morrison's, which is the other bigger shop, I need to check my yogurts and I'm shop in the Lidl, because my yogurts achanetsa kuwana ari demand. Flavor yacho I vanilla and something else. I'll be sure when I see them. So ndakacheka muno first. At least ndakamawana. I'll probably buy ese andinogona kuwana. Because normally anenge asina kumbowanda because my tray acho anenge ane variety. Oh, let me get one of these baskets. Same thing, unogona kutrolla trolley yemunomu kana kuti muno mabaskets avaripo because unogona kuridonza. So it's either you carry it or you pull it. So ndatongoita lucky because I don't think kuti ndine paundi motor. Alright, anengasi. The ones that I wanted. Normally anengari ipapa. But I can see luxury yogurt. Okay, I'll check in the shop yet. No parcel counters, guys. No pinda nezvinhu zvako. It's because instead of that mune CCTV mashops mese. It's not kuti akubiwa mashops. It's just kuti mune CCTV ne security no monitor CCTV rather than munhu anenge ari padoor achiona kuti mune imbeki mako. Alright, so we are off to Morrison's and Aldi. Aldi is the other German shop. No contest ne Lidl. Waka cheaper vese. Plus one of our own brands are very affordable. This is Morrison's. It's one of the big 5 shops in the UK, my supermarket. It's not the biggest, but it's one of the big ones. So that the advantage of my big shop, they have a variety. They are not necessarily the cheapest, but my own brands are one that cheaper. So let's go into Morrison's. So coleslaw, 78p, 300 grams. That's the one I prefer to a coleslaw. And to end up my peppers. 85p, 3, but anyway, tukuda asina green. Second order, IYA 115. Yeah, 33. Then my spring greens, I think are set with my veggie. Yeah, aye. So particular 1 and 12. Yeah, and 12. This one will do. Then skudama onion, 65p 1 kg. And 12 yeah. That's it. I think we are done in this shop. What else do we need? With the margarine. Anonak. Lucky me, So it's 150, 500 grams. Angachita 190. That's good. That's good stuff. I love a bargain all the time. Yeah, expired date. Always check expired. So that's me done. What else? Bread, I think we are good. Bananas. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to have to go into the other shop. Down Tarsama Yogurt. Into the other discount shop. So this is a much bigger shop than EI. It's a much bigger one than EI. $15 pack Heineken. 14 pounds. I know these prices because ndoya ndinotenga ndoya ndinombonwa. Nana Budweiser or never bottle water recycler. Normally this is a bit no gara per promotion like apa park to dura 14 pounds for 20. Ma 300. It's muno muri a bit. Muri right because muri competitive my price actually. But in general kana uchida bargain unotofamba legwork because chimwe chinenge chakachipa kumwe chimwe chakachipa kumwe. Yeah, ndoda ma variety ma chips. Which ones do I really want? I don't go to the variety already. Okay. 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 We'll go to the next one. But this time tukwenda ku self-checkout. Tukuno badara tega. Then tuona experience yacho. Yekubadara wega. Okay, sikangoenda pa self-checkout app. Munhu unozvibhadharira wega. Tuone experience yacho. Okay.
Do you wish to continue?
Sikairi kuti apa ndepe ma cards pega. Kuda continue here. So the thing is, you just need to know panenge paine barcode ndo paunongoti scan.
If you have a Morrison small card, please scan it now.
So contactless ndipo paunongonoshandisa either phone yako kana kuti card rako riri contactless. This time ndichangoshandisa kuti card because ndikashandisa phone inobva yadzima. You can use cash as well, but in most cases it's easier kana one card kana phone. Okay, tapedza experience. Normally ningada ndaitangisa mabag mangu but I didn't. Skanda kuisa mabag mangu. Okay, we are out. If you want a lotto ticket, unotenga up. Sometimes you're not going to take up account. Where did I park? Okay, this side. ska ndotobuda nekunoko. Can buda now. It's like ndapaka percent. Amazon, you can buy something to deliver on my box, then you come and collect panapo chipa bus. At least you wouldn't have missed a delivery. Then Apple end kune recycling food yemabhodhoro. Apple recycling yemabhodhoro nehembe. Then apa pakanzi garden center munenge mune maruva and what not, ma compost, ma fertilizer. Yeah. Then service station iri kuseri uko. Probably I'll do another video neka experience kepa fuel station. Shingorakidza kuti neta sei, maybe ne car wash. This is just to show you guys kuti zvinhu zvekunoku zvakangoitawo sei, just like kutirakidza kwamunongoitawo kuti zveikoko zvakaita sei wherever you are in the world. Thanks for watching.